Hey, Danielle D'Souza here. So one of the things that I tell people, are you ready to buy a house? And number one, the higher the credit score, the better. You're gonna just get a better rate. Second, you want to make a budget. What can you afford? List what your income is, list all of your expenses, and what you have left after that. Or whatever you're paying for rent, that can also be considered as your mortgage payment, but make a budget and know how much you can afford per month. Secondly, you need to have an emergency fund. And that's not the fund for the house. This is an addition because things happen. You might need to get your car fixed, or you might, need to buy something, or you might need a plane ticket, something like that. You want to have at least $1,000 in an emergency fund. That is not part of your down payment. And then the other thing is pay off some of your debts. Really, a lot of people have a lot of credit cards, and I just don't recommend it because a minimum credit card payment is going to be, $25. And so you have all these credit cards and this minimum payment on everything. Don't fall for that 10%. I did another video on that, like that 10% off your bill when you go buy it to a store or something, because nobody ever pays it off right away. So really, I recommend usually if you have a mortgage, a car, and one credit card. That's it. You don't need anything else. So work on paying down your debt, because now if you're going to be buying a house, you're adding on all of this debt and this payment is going out every month. So you don't want to have a whole bunch of other little payments, okay? And then you really need to save. You save for a down payment and closing costs. So a down payment is going to be, I would recommend, it's going to be anywhere between 3 to 5% of the purchase price, okay? So if you're looking at like a $300,000 house, the down payment is about $9,000. Then you have closing costs. Closing costs run about 4 to 5% of the purchase price. So that's about $12,000. Closing costs can be negotiated with your realtor and the seller, okay? But save for down payment and closing costs. So number one, check your credit score. And if you need help getting your credit score higher, reach out to me. Number two, make a budget. Number three, save a $1,000 emergency fund. Number four, pay down your debts. Number five, save for a down payment and closing costs. Follow me and reach out for more information. Thanks. Bye-bye.